Good morning viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the presidential inauguration of Joe Biden 20th January 2021, what it has up its sleeves. The Muhurat chart at the time of inauguration is not a auspicious one. This is what I have seen. I'll just read it out. The inauguration of Joe Biden as the 46th President of the United States will mark the commencement of the 4-year term of Joe Biden as President and Kamala Harris as the Vice President. And the day is Wednesday, 20th January 2021. A weak chart is on the cards as already predicted, like Jupiter Saturn in the 10th house of the chart as per the past indicate that the president in power will not be able to complete his full term. Let's have a look on the chart. The chart is of Aries Lagna. Aries Lagna, and it's a movable Lagna with Mars and Moon in the ascendant. And I will just read out. The following parameters acquire an important dimension. Selecting a good Muhurta is essential and should be carefully chosen. Lagna should be Shirshodhe, Rashis, Gemini, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Aquarius. It is not any one of the same, but Dr. V.V. Raman also recommends Aries and Pisces Lagna. In the chart above, the Lagna is Aries and the Lord of the sign is placed in the Lagna is good, but Lagna and the Lagna Lord are scared. But the Lagna and Lagna Lord are scared by malefics in the 10th house, and in this case there will be strife and struggle. Now the day is Wednesday and the Lord is Mercury, placed in the 10th house as the Lord of the 3rd and the 6th, very near to the most effective point of the ascendant. It is placed in the Yama of Gemini, the 3rd house of the chart, and the Lord is in the 10th house with 3 more planets, out of which 2 are afflicted badly, the Saturn and Jupiter. The Lagna Lord Mars is placed in the Yama of Pisces, the 12th house of the chart, and the Lord is debilitated and placed in the 10th house, shows the weakness of the ascendant. Also Mars is debilitated in Navamsha. The Lagna is Prishtode and also Adhomukh. The Navamsha Lagna is also Prishtode. All the planets are in the grip of the nodes. The Yama Moon and the Muhurat Moon are in 6-8 axis, is most malefic parameter for good fructifications for the tenure of the president. 10th Lord Saturn is combusted, although in own house. The DBA planets are Ketu, Rahu and Saturn are all malefic and not good for good tenure of the president. The Karna is malefic, Vishti, not good. It's an inauspicious Karna and not good for fructification and Karya Siddhi. The Tithi is Shukal Paksh, Ashtami, and not good for a new venture. Ketu is afflicted in the 8th house by Mars, the 8th Lord. Navamsha Lagna is also Prishtode, and the Lord in the Rashi chart is debilitated, is the most malefic parameter in the Muhurat chart. Strength of Sun is to be seen. The Sun is royal planet and related to politics. It should be strongly placed. Sun is placed in the 10th house Digbali and in Uttarayana, but Saturn in the 10th house is evil, and Saturn and Sun combination is not good for a good Muhurta. Strength of Moon. Moon is placed in the Lagna and in the same sign as the natal chart, in the same star Ashwini. The 6th house of the natal chart is rising, where Moon is placed. Moon is exalted in the Navamsha. Yama Moon and Muhurat Moon are in 6-8 axis, is a strong malefic parameter which cannot be ignored and most venomous parameter for a good tenure of the president. Malefics in the Kendra and malefics in 3, 6, 11 are preferred, which are missing in the chart. Especially the Ketu in the 8th house is bad for good tenure till 17th March 2022. Role of nakshatras. The star at the time of Muhurta is Ashwini is considered good, and also the Janma star is considered good for Muhurat. Role of Tithis. Good lunar day should be selected. Here the Tithi is Shukla Ashtami and not considered very good for new venture. Also the day lord Mercury and the star lord Ashwini are making a Mrityu Yoga. Role of Karna. For good fructifications, Karna should be benefic one. Here the Karna is Vishti and a malefic one, and the lord is Saturn, and connected to the 10th house is most malefic since it is also combusted. Simhasan Chakra. For the longevity and the placement of the planets in the Simhasan Chakra is most important. 27 stars are used to format of Simhasan and the throne of the king, which has 5 units, namely Adhar, Asan, Patta, Sima, and Simhasan is the highest. And then next comes the Sima, then Patta, then Asan, and Adhar is the lowest Nadi. It is like seating arrangement of the king's court, where the king sits at the highest pedestal or throne known as the Simhasan. Moon should be strong and not with malefics. Here the moon, instead of the highest Nadi, it is placed in the lowest Nadi in the Adhar and afflicted by Mars. Hence the power of the king is reduced. Hence even the longevity of the government is adversely influenced. Saturn, the planet of masses, democracy, and also significator of death and destruction, it should be no way afflict the 10th house or the Lagna, Lord or Moon. Here the Saturn is influencing the 10th house. It is combusted, it is connected with Sun, is an evil in the 10th house. It is placed in the Patta Nadi, and Sun with Sun is not good. Jupiter is weak in the chart, debilitated and combusted and placed in a Sima Nadi. Connection of Jupiter and Saturn in the 10th house is most enigmatic, comparing it with the past happenings for the US president. As can be seen, the president in power is not able to complete a full term. The 6th Lord Mercury at the MAP of the Lagna degrees, along with the nodes who are gripping all the planets, is most malefic combination in the above Muhurta chart. Gulika Kalam. The Muhurat has taken place at 12 o'clock, and the Gulika Kalam is from 11:05 to 12:19, and it's a Dur Muhurat from 12 p.m. to 12:39. There is no Abhijit Muhurat on Wednesday. Wednesday and Tithi Ashtami form Mrityu Yoga, most malefic day. Nutshell: from the above, it is crystal clear that the president in power will not be able to complete the full term. There are more negatives than positives and a weak Muhurtam, and since all the planets are placed in the visible half of the chart, the results will also be experienced in early and fast. Please read my articles earlier where I have predicted the success of Joe Biden in the presidential elections for US, and also for the Donald Trump and Joe Biden, who will be the next phase of US 2020 presidential campaign, and then fate of the successful future president of USA as per mundane hypothesis and Matsai Puran classics, most venomous. So please read these two articles, and I'm sorry to say that the Muhurta is a very inauspicious one for a good tenure for the president of the US. Thank you, friends. Thank you for listening to me. Bye-bye.